So we were about to leave, and Joe's like, hey, my tire pressure's low. So we started to check it, and this thing right here was letting out air instead of giving us air. So luckily I brought my own. Comes in this cool little kit. So if you need power to your battery, it'll do that, or it also plugs into a cigarette lighter. That's in there. Or it plugs into a battery tender. So that's what we're using right now. And it's working out great. Gotta thank my dad for this one. Thanks, Dad. This thing's working out awesome. Whoa, there's a stop sign. Never seen a stop sign to get on the freeway. I wasn't ready. Okay. And I think I'm all messed up because of the fact that one, I'm talking to you guys, but two, we had to do all that in the heat, and that wasn't fun. So yeah, we're back on the 70. I don't know, I have a feeling we're probably just gonna make it to New York today, make it to Maine tomorrow. We'll see how the rest of this day goes. So far, started off with a little bit of issues. Hopefully it gets better. I'm not sure if that's a COVID thing or if it's always been like this. You order your food yourself, and then they give it to you. That's new to me. Yeah, but we just stopped. Got some gas. Seems like that's all we do. Ride gas, right? But yeah, that's it. Getting back on the road again. So far, so good. I'm feeling great. Let's keep it going. about this for a rest spot. I thought it was like a county building. That's why I even walked around. I'm not used to rest spots looking like this, that nice. But look at the scenery here. Really nice. Really, really nice. It's a rest stop. Gorgeous. Just left that rest stop. Still on the I-80. We're still pushing. We're looking at maybe 62 miles until they put us on the 91. But other than that, everything's going well. The bike's running good. Weather is great. Can't ask for more. Let's see what the degrees are. We're looking at 85 degrees and it feels awesome. Man, it feels awesome. So yeah, we're still plugging along. As you can see, we got a lot of green coverage here. We're in the trees. But it is extremely nice. Pennsylvania moving into New York. Let's do it. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. I just got a message on my phone that said, "Welcome to New Jersey." And I didn't see a state sign. I know I didn't miss it. But I'm in New Jersey, so that's cool. Whatever. But look at that. Wait, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? There it is. Alright, I got my state sign. That was just a little sketchy. But I want that state sign. I hate when I miss it. So yeah, we're in New Jersey and we're about to cross into New York in a bit. So about an hour, 69 miles, we'll cross into New York. I already see New York City, guys. It's over there. Pretty neat. We're about to cross the George Washington Bridge in about 6.1 miles. Look at this. Look at this. A lot of these overpasses have that in New Jersey. They're all flying flags. $16 paid to that toll, but that's it. We crossing into New York. Okay, I gotta pay attention though. I heard it's pretty crazy. Oh, what's up, guys? We're in New York. Check that out. Bronx Expressway. What? Man, it's hot in here. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. 95. I need to get out of here. Yeah, so we decided to call it. We kind of figured we weren't going to push all the way through. So we decided to call it. We're going to stay right here in New York. And then push on through tomorrow. I'll figure out a route because I would like to ride through Rhode Island. Just to say I knocked out that state too. So then work our way up. Yeah. That's the plan for today, and it looks like we're gonna beat a storm because there's something brewing. Once we get away from these trees, you should be able to see it. It got real windy and it got real dark, real quick too. You can see all these leaves blowing around. It ain't from the cars; it's because of the wind. Oh, look at this crazy little motel. All showered up, pretty much about to hit the sack and just go to bed so we can wake up early and get to our final destination. So we ended up stopping here just a little outside of New York City and pretty much got showered up, and we're just gonna rest and call it a night. If you watched this whole video, hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe. It's been a journey so far. We're almost at our destination. It feels so good to nearly complete my goal of knocking out this coast to coast ride. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in Maine, which is my final destination. Coast to coast from California to Maine, baby. I did it. Well, I'll say I did it tomorrow or on this next episode for you guys.